Hello Amar, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
So, uh, are you prepared for the interview?
Yes, I am prepared.
Hopefully, you have done all the topics I have shared
And
with you
yes, I
related
have
to this.
done, but little bit nervous too, as this is my first interview.
Okay, no problem. So, what topics you have covered, like at your best
I
of the
I have
confidence? Yeah.
I have it function types, array types, tuple, interfaces, classes.
Okay. Okay. Share your screen and open VS Code on full screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Create a new file. Name it test.ts. Simply test.ts. Yeah. Now, first declare an string number.
String.
Yeah, a string, a number, and a
Okay.
boolean. Three types of variable.
Okay.
You can use later cons both, no problem.
Okay.
Now create a boolean. Your variable name should start from the small letter, not capital letter.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Now create an interface uh, which contains name, age, and phone number of a person. You can
Okay.
name it a person, your interface name.
Okay.
Yeah.
two of the fields required here: name, phone number, and
You can write age. No issues. Now create an object using this interface.
okay.
Name it something else. You can take another variable. No issues.
Okay.
You are getting TypeScript error because you may have created same variable
Yeah.
at somewhere else.
Okay. That's enough.
Put your name itself. No issues.
Okay.
You are creating an object. What does object contain in JavaScript?
Object. Okay. Okay. Object contains key value pairs.
Key value pairs. How you add key value pairs in an object? Is it with a equal to sign or with colon sign?
Yeah, it will be with column sign.
Yeah, then go ahead. Take a random number with 10 digits. Normally we declare phone numbers as a string instead of number. Okay, so no issues for now. You can continue. Now create an enum just below that interface, and enum name should be like a role you can put as of now. Interfaces, enums, classes, these naming should start from the capital letter. Like you can declare with a small letter, but that's a like best practice you can say. Okay, this role will contain like two values. uh, One is student and another is teacher. So now create enum based on these two values, like first one is student and another one is teacher. Okay, you have added two values here. Uh, by default, what does it contain? Like what values it will contain?
Uh,
See, if you are hovering over teacher, it is showing like role dot teacher equal to 0 and 1.
yeah, it's zero.
No,
And by the
but
yeah,
but we want values to be like student and teacher, not 0 and 1. How will you
okay.
add those? Yeah,
Yeah, I can add those by assigning the value.
yeah. Then assign it. Okay. Now add another property in your interface named as role. Okay, and
Okay.
you can add below. Yeah, name it as a role. Its type should be like the enum you have declared below. How do you assign your enum as a type to some variable inside your interface?
And
This role will possibly contain two values, either it's a student or teacher. You have to
okay.
use your enum instead.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Add role key in person to object as well. For now, let's suppose it's a student. Okay, it is still showing in red. Do you know why it is showing in red? You made it a like student, but it's still throwing error. Why it is so?
Okay, yeah. That's it.
No, no. Key key value pair should be in small. You can you can use any variable name and use your enum against those variable names. You are simply getting error because you are trying to assign a string value instead of like referring it from your enum instead. Okay, I hope this will like give you some hint how to correct it. You have to utilize your enum for assigning it a certain value, not simply like adding values as a string. Yeah, role, its role will be student. Declare your enum above your person object. Okay, you are still doing it wrong. Inside an object, you assign values as a key value pair
Yeah.
with colon in between. Okay, so once you have like you have already provided the type inside your interface at line number 12. Now here you are
Yeah.
creating the object using your interface as well as your enum. So here you have to just pass on the values, not again declaring type. You already did that on line number 15 by
Oh yeah.
saying person to colon person. Okay, leave. Let's create a function below on line number 26. It will keep showing error in your editor. Uh, on line number 19, write roll colon. I will tell you how to do it. Yeah, roll colon. Write here roll dot student using your enum roll dot student. It is still throwing error because you have declared your enum on the bottom and creating object above that. So simply put all these 3 4 lines above your person object, like, yeah, control X and put it on line number 14. That's how you like assign values using your enum. Okay, now create a function, and this function should take 3 parameters, suppose name, age and role. Okay, simply write get person. Now inside, uh, is it correct how you have like typed your parameters in function? you have you have created 3 parameters, name, phone and age. You have assigned them type string, number. Okay,
Okay.
do you think you have like assigned typing correctly?
For phone number, I guess it should be a string.
No, since you have already considering phone as a number in all above cases, so I'm considering it's okay to like declare it as a number. What about name? How do you provide like any
Oh,
string?
that's right. Okay.
Okay,
Is that okay now?
take another parameter role as well for now, so that your interface doesn't cry. Yeah, take it role as well. You again you have to use your enum which you have declared on line number 14. Hmm. You have to return. You simply assign value to your role. You are restricting your function parameter to take only one value instead of taking enum. Why are you doing like role dot student? Yeah, it should be simply role. Okay. Uh, Now just return an object with all these parameters. Simply do name, comma, phone is kind of, because when you will call your function, it will append automatically append all these values. Yeah, okay. Now just add return type of your get person fun- like get person function. Till now I have asked you to use all those parameters which your interface already contain. So now I'm saying add like return type of this function, what it should be.
It should be object.
No, you don't do like simply saying object will not like restrict your return type. Object could be anything, it may contain any value.
Yeah.
Don't you see like a relation between your interface and the object you are returning from your function?
Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay. Now tell me, what is type inference?
Time inference.
Yeah.
It, TypeScript basically mm, understand the type of type of
Yeah, any
result.
variable or function. Go ahead.
Sorry.
TypeScript, or you are saying TypeScript automatically detects type of any function or variable. What you are saying
Uh,
further? Yeah, continue.
Provide
So suppose if you are saying
yeah.
TypeScript automatically like detects typing of your variables or functions return types. So on line number 28, you have like written colon person as a like return the type of your get person. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think like if you are not explicitly assigning it like colon person, it will automatically interfere like infer typing, just reading from like your line number 29 and 30.
No, no, I didn't mean that. Uh,
Okay.
I mean that uh, if, for example, if it, let's go at line number one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
My greet is a string and it's hello.
Yeah.
If I delete if I delete here,
Okay.
TypeScript will understand it as infer it as a string.
Okay.
And
So uh, if you try to assign like
it will,
another value to your greet function, since it is
yeah,
already
it will,
declared with const, JavaScript will not allow it for now. But
yeah.
let's convert it into let variable instead. Okay. So can I do like greet equal to 123 instead now?
No,
Okay.
because
Why?
because TypeScript now infers it as a string, and whenever I will try to assign it a number, it will throw an error.
Okay. Okay, Amar. What else you have prepared in TypeScript? These are the like basic ones which I have asked to you. What else you have prepared for the interviews or you have read from TypeScript?
Uh, I I read about tuples and the difference between type and
Declare a tuple
interface.
variable as well. That's you are trying to declare a like variable naming array. Array is a like reserved keyword. You cannot declare like that. Hmm. हाँ गुरु हाँ 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 रूम पे हूँ आ जाओ ठीक
According to tuple definition, tuple is basically tuple basically uh, it will it will assign type as well as I mean to say if I will try to assign here an string, it will throw an error. This is
Okay.
what I meant to say.
So
Or if I want to assign another number or another string, it will not take because it has only one string and one number.
okay. Uh, so we do it with arrays. Can we do it with string or numbers? I mean to say
Tuple is
you are assigning an array to your my array variable. Okay.
yeah,
So is there any way we use like these tuples for normal variables like array, not array, string boolean or numbers.
String. I have to achieve the same thing without using array. You mean to say?
Yeah. Okay, no issues. Just try it and read it later on. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Amar. It was a good interview call. Hopefully, you you will get an idea of like some
Yeah.
real time interview as well. Okay.
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 Thank you.
You can drop off for now.